Most clinic owners are using AI like a search engine, typing in short prompts and getting short answers. But when you switch to voice, it becomes a strategic thinking partner. You can talk through pricing decisions, staff challenges, marketing campaigns, and operational problems in real time. Instead of staring at numbers or overthinking a staff issue, you speak it out loud. So, for example, my bookings are down 12% this month. What could be causing it? The conversation forces clarity and challenges assumptions instantly. Here's a brief example of how this works. Hi there, I run an aesthetic clinic based in Warwickshire. I wonder if you could give me some advice.
Of course, I'm happy to help. What area do you want advice on? Marketing, operations, client experience, or something else? Just let me know and we'll dive right in.
I'm just confused about whether to enter industry based awards or local business awards. What do you think are the advantages and disadvantages of both?
Industry awards can boost your credibility within the aesthetics field, showing peers and potential clients you're top tier in the niche. The competition may be tougher, but it's very targeted. Local business awards, on the other hand, connect you with your community, which could help with local brand awareness. The competition might be broader, but often less specialised. Ideally, you could aim for both if resources allow.
Which do you think would be easiest to win?
Local business awards are often easier to win because the pool of competitors is more diverse and sometimes smaller. Industry awards tend to be more competitive since you're up against other specialists in aesthetics. But easiest doesn't always mean best. Choose what aligns with your goals.
So, in summary, voice mode shortens the gap between problem and potential solution, reducing overanalysis and emotional reactivity. Now, of course, that doesn't mean to say that you should always take its advice, but as you learn how to talk to AI, you can challenge its assumptions and also cross check potential solutions through other sources. However, over time, using this business tool in the right way results in better judgment, and better judgment improves overall clinic performance.